This is my Acura RX, and when I put the key on the ignition, I get no crank and no start, and I don't even get a click noise from the engine. So one thing that I noticed is this plastic piece right here. It is this part right here. So I have it over here with me. So one thing that you can do is just press the safety switch under the clutch. Okay, this is your clutch, and you're gonna see two safety switch. You're gonna press not this one, the yellow one, with your finger. Just press it, and then you're gonna turn on the ignition. So with one finger, press the safety switch, and with your other hand, turn on the ignition. And the car is on. So now that the car is on, you can just safely drive it to your home, and you don't have to call a tow truck, and you can just drive it like that. And now you can put this part back on the clutch pedal. Now I have to put this part back on the clutch pedal. Just press it in and you'll be ready to go.